Welcome back everyone. So in the last video, we solved department of 3 salaries, which was 43rd question in our SQL 50 series. And in this video, we are going to solve fixed names in a table. So let's dive in. Okay, so we are given users table, which has two columns, user ID and name, where user ID is the primary key for this table. And this table contains the ID and the name of the user. The name consists of only lowercase and uppercase characters. Now we have to write a solution to fix the names so that only the first character is uppercase and the rest are lowercase. Return the result table order by user ID. The result formatted is in the following example. So let's see the first example. So what we have to do is we have to modify the names in such a way that the first character is uppercase and the rest are in lowercase. And the second thing is we have to return the table order by user ID. So we have to select something from users order by user ID in ascending order by user ID. Okay. So what we have to select is we have to select the user ID and the name. And the name is the first character should be uppercase and the rest are lowercase. So first we will select the first character, that is SUBSTRING. So this is a function in SQL that will give us the substring. So from the name we want starting from the first to first index. So we'll get the first character in the name. Then we'll have to uppercase this first character, that is using the upper function. So we'll uppercase this. Then similarly we will have to do for the rest of the string. So we'll select from the name starting from the second index, we will select all the rest of the string. Okay, and then we will lowercase that string, so lower, and then we'll concat both of these and return as name. Okay, so let's see the result of this query. Okay, so test case has been passed. Now we'll try to submit this. And all of the test case has been passed.